First thing you're gonna do with this EGV screen protector is, in the kit, it's got all the stuff I was just showing you. You're gonna wipe it down with alcohol. Just give it a really, really good wipe. Make sure the phone you're working on is off. Don't have it on. Okay. Next, use your dry wipe. Remove any dust, dirt, whatever. The alcohol up. Wax on. Wax off. I'm just kidding. Make sure you do a really, really good job of this. It's pretty much the most important part before we get started. You want to have it extra, extra clean. No fingerprints. And again, with the dust protect, this right here, so step, you just be going through. And you collect all your dust. Next in your kit is this. We're going to pick our phone up, set it on there nice and gentle so it helps keep your grip, which is actually really cool. Then you're going to put this on. This goes into your charger, plugs right into your charger. See? So we're going to, with the 3 tabs sticking up, plug it in. Fits right in. It's nice. Come back. Alright. And here we've got this. Alright, and it has, this is straight from the package, so this will be what it is for you too. Pull it out. You got 1. These are your steps that you're going to do in order. Okay, so put these 3 holes into the holes here. Okay. And it's a little sticky, but it's cool because then you can use it to line up with your camera. Okay. You can do this as many times as you need. That's what's really cool about this. Until you have it lined up exactly how you want it. See how that looks? Nice and lined up. Once you do that, you're going to apply right here. A lot. Okay. We're good there. We're still in the holes here. That's what we like to see. Next, we're grabbing this. Don't use this end, use this end, alright? What you're going to do is you got your arrows here, okay? So you're going to lift up to here. I'm going to slide it out. Then I'm going to repeat it on this side. So what we're going to do is this arrow here, I'm going to lift up. Right? Then I'm going to start applying. You see how that's coming off? Because it was lined up perfect, everything's still lined up money. I'm going to go through a little bit. Start applying it on. And then we're going to repeat the same process here. So I'm going to go on the lines. Grab it from the 2. Before we do this, pull the protector out, so you don't need that. Same thing, I'm going right here, the lines, lifting up, so you can see it. Boom. That's off. Now you're just going to come through and do this until you're very happy with it, until you got it really, really nice and applied. It's lost for words right there. And once you got that, just lift it up, okay, and just peel it away. And then go around your edges now and apply the rest of the adhesive so it's all on there. You could use your thumbs if you want, but I found this to work really good. And there's our end result. I mean, look at that. You can't even tell that that is on there. That's how nice that looks. You can see it. I can feel it right there. See? That is very nice. Yeah. And that's how you install the EGV screen protector. Simple. It also comes with, this is for your camera on the back. And I still have that alcohol pad from earlier. So I'm just redoing the same steps basically. Alcohol pad. Clean it off. Wipe it down. This is the new one. Alright. So I'm gonna flip it over. And that's gonna end up being like this, is what the end result's gonna be, like that. Make sure you line it up perfect. And that's the end result, and that's the new one. Really nice. Let's see if I can get that not to be so. So there's no crack, nothing. That just perfect. See how I got it lined up? That's all you need to do, guys. That is it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Oh, and also, once you're all done, you'll notice, like, there's these little, you see all those bumps? That's what this is for. They're not bumps, it's the adhesive from the glue, or the whatever that shit is. So just go through and polish it off. Go around your edges, and see, nice, very nice. It should be pretty self-explanatory, you'll get it. Just watch my video over and over if you have to. Good luck, y'all. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And thank you for watching. I really hope this helps y'all out. Enjoy. Thank you. Good night. Good morning. Wherever, whenever you are. Goodbye.